Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change country on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click on edit profile here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on country of residence, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. And here add your country here or change your country. So when you're done, click here in this side. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.